Alright, here she is. This is my electric powered and charged up pool vacuum, handheld. I've got to put the handle on, we'll do that outside. I just wanted to show you guys how this works. If you look here, this twist, pop it off, right? And I'm going to probably use this one. Put it on, you just do that. See that little thing there? Watch. Bam. If to get this in and out, you just pull it out. This one here I used last time. I super cleaned it good. So it's ready to go. It's just a sock. And you just smush it down in there. And if you look, you see there's the little edges here. So you just want to get it in. Get her popped in there like that. And then you're going to take your head, you're going to put her on, slide those pieces in, and then you just got to twist it counterclockwise, like that. And both sides are in. Now we're ready to go. Now all I got to do is put the handle on the back. We're going to go outside and we're going to suck up some frog eggs in my pool. How's that sound? Let's do it. All right, here's our pool. You can hear the filter running. So here's the machine itself. It's in the off position. These you squeeze and it slides right on there. I've got to take this head off of this one. So I'm going to use this one right here. This is the one that came with it. It's all segmented. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 segments that go on. And right now I've got this brush. I got to get that off of there. Pop it off. And now I just got to put this on the end there. So sometimes you can just do it. You just slip it on like this. All right. And once I get it down there, what I got to do is squeeze these, and it should just fall on. Sometimes it doesn't. There we go. And then I got to find those little white things. You see that? Bam, done it. Now this baby's ready to rock. And as you can see, we got a job, cut out for us. And I'm going to get these turtle eggs out of here. I mean turtle eggs, what am I saying? Frog eggs down there. See them? So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Now what I do is I submerge it, just like that. So once I get it down there, I'm going to go ahead and just flip it on. And there she goes. She's running. So now I'm just going to suck that stuff up. See that? And this thing works great. I got a lot of pull, as you can see. So I've got to kind of work it. I try to keep it underwater. You know what I mean? But it works pretty good, I gotta say. I'll go down here on this step. Just kind of push it along. And it usually gets everything pretty good. And the way where I got them is up on this sun step. So to do that, I'm going to bend it down low, like this, and just try to suck it up. Try to keep it under. Because if I bring it up, look, you see the water squirting out? Here, let me get it closer. So you can see there's little frog eggs there. So we're going to get all those out of there. I've got to kind of manipulate it because I got to keep it low because I don't want it to pull any air in. But we're doing good. I think we're doing okay. See if we can get some more here. Right over here in this corner is where they really are. Got to get in there. Get them. So the poor frogs don't know that this water is all chlorinated, and they're just putting all their little babies in here, and they're just going to get mushed. Chlorine's going to myrtlate them. So yeah, that is a mess down there. There we go. Those are all frog eggs down there. That big blotch that I just got, just a mass of frog eggs. That's not bad, right? We just got the whole pool. So now we've got to pull this baby out. and turn her off. So what I'm going to do is bring it up here and just got to get it to there, hit that, and we're done. We just got to clean it out now. All right, so, to get this off, remember we just have to twist that. So I put my foot here, so I'm filming with one hand, and there it is. All right, then we just pull our sock out. Just pull this out, and you can see it's a mess. So we've got to clean that. It's my pool filter over there. So here it is. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to push down on this, like this. I'm going to smush it down on there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and smush it out like this. Push my hand in there and get all the junk off of it. Then I'm going to stick it down on here like that. And now I'm going to squirt it with the hose. If you look, I put it right on here and you can see all the frog eggs on there. And now I can get my high pressure hose out and squirt it. It really cranks it. Okay? See how white it gets it? That's what you want. And we'll pull this back. Now we get this side. You ready? All right, one more time we gotta switch it. Because you see how this is still dark? I need to hit that and hit that area there. Follow me? Let's get on it. All right, so now I can just pop it through like this, smush it. You may have to squirt it a little bit more, but yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so this is, it's good enough for government work. I'm just gonna stick it on the nose here and just leave it and just let it dry. That's it. All right, so just to reiterate, to get this off, I squeeze these two, and just pull it off. That's it. You do want to clean this. All right, so I want to squirt this out, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to a shower so I don't get water everywhere. And I'm just going to rinse it out. And this here too. If there's anything inside there. And then if there's some leaves that don't come out, get them. But yeah, I'm done. See, now this is ready. I mean, you can dry everything off if you want. I usually just let it air dry. You can just grab this. Now you could, dry it all off, like I said. But what I'm gonna do is just let it air dry. So I just put it in here. We could dry it off with a towel. Just set her there for now. Yeah, bam.